Hi guys, so I'm continuing to upgrade my car, and here are the 3D design real carbon side skirts, one-on-one weave, and I already installed the other part, so let me show you. Here's already installed the side skirt. As you can see, it matches with the front splitter with the fog vents, and so to install it I just use the drill with a screwdriver, and I applied the 3M tape over the side skirt and just like stick it to the bottom of the original side skirt, and then drill I think about 5 holes and put the screws in. So let me install the second one and we'll see the result. Here's a 3M adhesion promoter, which makes 3M tape stick much better. It's like a glue, so I apply some here and I wipe it after isopropyl alcohol. I wipe it with a primer on the bottom, so the adhesion will be much better. So I wipe it very careful and thoroughly. Lifting up the car so I'll have better access to install, because I need a drill, like more distance here. Here like this. So this one is good. Hold on, let me check. It should be like that. Yeah, now it's perfect.
Do you want to say who's helping you?
Yeah, my girlfriend is helping me. She's the best. She's a mechanic. She gives me the advices. So we put like that. Perfect.
This is a lot of work, babe.
No, this is not. It's easy work.
You're making me work.
Make me work. Can you pass me the screw, please? Here's the result. I like it so much. The car is now completed with a look, but I'm gonna change the wheels because they look small. And this is perfect carbon with a perfect design. I like the design. It's like not so aggressive, and it's a good combination with the wide fenders front and rear. And once I will install the wheels, I'll show how it looks completely. And the last step will be the KW suspension. I think it should be next week for the complete look. Keep you posted. Stay tuned. So here is the result, the side skirts, how they look. And also I installed here the carbon mud flaps, because a lot of stones coming to this side. I think you can see these chips, and to protect the stones, and I will have like wider wheels. Here I put on the 3M tape, drill the hole with did a template from this, drill the hole here and put this rivet. and also from the other side. I'm thinking also maybe to buy another here, but I don't see like a lot of scratches here actually, because it's under the angle like this, so probably it will be fine. So I'm pretty happy with the result and excited to install the new wheels, 23 inches, and lower the car.